So there are four components in the preamble we have discussed. We the people of India, first component. Let's conclude what we have discussed earlier. Second, nature of Indian state, sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic. Third, objectives of the Indian constitution. What are the objectives of the Indian constitution? Justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. And last but not the least is date of adoption of the Indian constitution. What is the date of adoption of the Indian constitution? 26 November 1949. And what is the date of enactment? Date of commencement of the constitution is 26 January 1950. So if this is the significance of the preamble, we have understood there are four components of the preamble. Let's proceed further and see what else we can discuss. And if we see, we have discussed preamble is based on the objective resolution. Very, very important point. What is objective resolution? Objective resolution was a document which was drafted and moved by Pandit Nehru in the Constituent Assembly. You have to find out the date, on which date objective resolution was introduced in the Constituent Assembly. So याद रखेंगे जो हमारा प्रेजेंट प्रियम्बल है वो किसका मॉडिफाइड वर्जन है? ऑब्जेक्टिव रिजोल्यूशन का. और ये क्वेश्चन कई बार पूछा गया है आपके एग्जाम में कि प्रियम्बल इज बेस्ड ऑन, एंड विच वॉज द फर्स्ट कंट्री, लेट्स टेल मी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट, विच वॉज द फर्स्ट कंट्री टू इंट्रोड्यूस विद द प्रियम्बल? यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका. United States of America was the first country in the world to introduce with the preamble, the concept of preamble. But our preamble is a modified version of objective resolution, which was introduced by Pandit Nehru and adopted by the Constituent Assembly. Now again, is preamble a part of the Indian Constitution or not? For that we have to go to Supreme Court judgment. For example, we have to see the Berubari Union case, Berubari versus Union of India case 1960. We have to see the Keswanand Bharti case of 1973, Keswanand Bharti versus State of Kerala 1973. We have to see the LIC of India case as well. We will see the various cases, and in those cases we will try to understand whether the preamble is a part of Indian Constitution or not. And if we see whether preamble is a part of Indian Constitution or not, these are the three important cases we need to remember. Berubari versus Union of India case 1960. Second, Keswanand Bharti versus State of Kerala 1973. And then we have LIC of India case 1995. So is preamble a part of the Indian Constitution or not? Yes. आज का प्रेजेंट पोजीशन क्या है कि यस, प्रियम्बल इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. लेकिन इन द बेरूबरी वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया केस 1960, सुप्रीम कोर्ट अपहेल्ड दैट प्रियम्बल इज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. प्रियम्बल जो है वो पार्ट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन नहीं है. सेकेंड, इन द केशवानंद भारती वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ केरला, केशवानंद भारती वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ केरला 1973, सुप्रीम कोर्ट अपहेल्ड दैट यस, प्रियम्बल इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. प्रियम्बल इज अ part of the Indian Constitution, and like other provisions of the Constitution, preamble can also be amended. Preamble can be amended, but subject to basic structure of the Indian Constitution. What is basic structure? Basic structure मतलब हमारे Constitution की कुछ मूलभूत संकल्पना है, कुछ मूलभूत values हैं. For example, if you ask me, for example, I'm in this studio recording this lecture for you. Again, what can be done? Can I change the digital board? Yes. Can I change the lights? Yes. But can I change the base of this building? Yes, but for that I have to demolish the building. उसके लिए मुझे बिल्डिंग को गिराना पड़ेगा, और ये बिल्डिंग नहीं रहेगा, कुछ और हो जाएगा. इसका मतलब है क्या कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में हम कुछ चेंजेस कर सकते हैं? यस. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में कुछ अमेंडमेंट्स किए जा सकते हैं. यस. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के फंडामेंटल राइट्स में कुछ चेंजेस किए जा सकते हैं. यस. लेकिन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के बेसिक वैल्यूज को हम अमेंड कर सकते हैं क्या? नहीं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इंडिया इज अ सेकुलर कंट्री. टुमारो पार्लियामेंट अमेंड्स द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड मेंशंस इंडिया विल बी अ हिंदू राष्ट्र, नॉट सेकुलर कंट्री. इसका मतलब यह है कि दिस इज अगेंस्ट द बेसिक एंड कोर वैल्यूज ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. दिस कैन नॉट बी डन. क्यों? क्योंकि सेकुलरिज्म इज अ पार्ट ऑफ बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्शन इज अ पार्ट ऑफ बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. सो व्हाट इज बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर? बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर मीन्स द कोर वैल्यूज, द बेसिक वैल्यूज ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन विच कैन नॉट बी अल्टर्ड, विच कैन नॉट बी वायलेटेड बाय द parliament itself. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the amending power of the Parliament? Article 368. Article 368 of the Indian Constitution under Part 20 of the Indian Constitution deals with amending power of the Parliament. You have to comment in the comment section from which country we have taken the provision of amending the Constitution. Please comment. Then again, in the LIC of India case 1995, Supreme Court told that preamble is an integral part of the Indian Constitution. प्रियम्बल जो है इंटीग्रल पार्ट है। तो अगर आपसे कोई पूछे हमने क्या देखा अभी तक, हमने देखा प्रियम्बल क्या है, वी हैव अंडरस्टूड प्रियम्बल से रिलेटेड इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रेजेस। हमने ये भी देखा देयर आर 4 कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ द प्रियम्बल। व्हिच आर द 4 कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ द प्रियम्बल? वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अर्लियर। दीज आर द 4 कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ द प्रियम्बल। सी हियर, these are the 4 components of the preamble. First, source of the authority of the constitution. What is the source of authority of the constitution? We the people of India. We the people of India is the source of authority of the constitution. मतलब हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को पावर कहां से मिल रही है? भारत के लोगों से ही मिल रही है। We the people of India. Second, nature of Indian state. What is the nature of Indian state? Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic. Third, we have the objectives of the constitution. What are the different objectives of the constitution? Justice, 3 types of justice: social justice, economic justice, political justice. Liberty, 5 types of liberty: liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship. Not only this, 2 types of equality as well: equality of status and of opportunity, and fraternity, a sense of common brotherhood was also there. लास्ट, डेट ऑफ एडॉप्शन. सो दीज वर द 4 कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ द प्रियम्बल. फिर मैंने क्या बताया आपको कि आवर प्रियम्बल इज बेस्ड ऑन द ऑब्जेक्टिव रिजोल्यूशन. ऑब्जेक्टिव रिजोल्यूशन वाज मूव्ड एंड ड्राफ्टेड बाय पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू. इट वॉज एडॉप्टेड बाय द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली. फिर मैंने आपको बताया कि वेदर प्रियम्बल इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन और नॉट, यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दीज 3 इंपॉर्टेंट केसेस. दीज 3 इंपॉर्टेंट केसेस यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. विच आर दीज केसेस? बेरूबरी यूनियन केस. In the Berubari Union case 1960, Supreme Court upheld that preamble is not a part of the Indian Constitution. In Keswanand Bharti case, Keswanand Bharti versus State of Kerala 1973, Supreme Court has reversed its judgment of the Berubari Union case and upheld preamble is a part of the Indian Constitution. And then in LIC of India case 1995, सुप्रीम कोर्ट अगेन अपहेल्ड प्रियम्बल इज एन इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. तो 2 क्वेश्चंस को हमने एड्रेस कर लिया. 1, वेदर प्रियम्बल इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन और नॉट. यस. क्या प्रियम्बल को अमेंड भी कर सकते हैं? यस. लाइक एनी अदर पार्ट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन प्रियम्बल कैन ऑल्सो बी अमेंडेड बट सब्जेक्ट टू बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. क्या प्रियम्बल को कभी अमेंड किया गया है? यस. प्रियम्बल हैज बीन अमेंडेड ओनली वंस थ्रू 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976. 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976 is also called as mini constitution. Why it is called as mini constitution? क्योंकि इसने बहुत सारे चेंजेस किए थे. For example, fundamental duties were also added into our constitution through 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976. तो preamble has been amended only once through 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1973. See here. Preamble has been amended only once. So for 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1973, and which words were added? आप याद रखेंगे SIS. SIS means socialist, integrity and secular. Socialist, integrity and secular were the 3 words which were added into our preamble. तो preamble में original preamble means as the preamble was adopted on 26 November 1949. उस समय हमारे प्रियम्बल में सोशलिस्ट, सेकुलर और इंटीग्रिटी वर्ड नहीं था. फिर इसको हमने एड ऑन किया थ्रू 42nd कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट ऑफ 1976. Have you understood this? Very good. Now how the questions can come in your examination, let's see. But before that, one more point you should note. One, जो preamble है, it is non-justiciable in character. Non-justiciable in character means polity में you will hear 2 terms. One is justiciable, other is non-justiciable. Justiciable means you can go and enforce it into the Supreme Court and High Court. For example, if your fundamental rights are violated, under Article 32 you can directly approach the Supreme Court of India. But under Article 226 you can also approach the different high courts of this country. लेकिन प्रियम्बल में लिखी गई जो बातें हैं, टेक्स्ट ऑफ द प्रियम्बल में जो बातें लिखी गई हैं, अगर उसको इंप्लीमेंट नहीं होगा, अगर वो वायलेट होता है, यू कैन नॉट गो टू सुप्रीम कोर्ट taking the text of the preamble. So text of the preamble is not enforceable in the court of law. Enforceable in the court of law means independently जो text of the preamble है वो enforceable नहीं है. लेकिन प्रियम्बल में जो चीज़ें लिखी गई हैं, अगर हम इसको कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के वेरियस सोर्सेज के थ्रू जाएंगे, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर लिबर्टी की बात हुई है तो आर्टिकल नंबर 19 ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डील्स विद फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच एंड एक्सप्रेशन, दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ फंडामेंटल राइट्स, एंड इफ योर फंडामेंटल राइट्स आर वायलेटेड यू कैन डायरेक्टली गो टू सुप्रीम कोर्ट. Long story short, preamble is non-justiciable in nature. Non-justiciable in nature, preamble cannot be enforced in the court of law. Now let's see how the questions can be asked in your examination based on these discussions. Please try to remember these important information. One more thing, preamble was enacted after the whole constitution was enacted. Now see, this question is from UPSC Prelims 2017. This question has been asked and we can answer this question only on the text of the preamble. For example, which one of the following objective is not embodied in the preamble? Liberty of thought, economic liberty, liberty of expression, liberty of belief. अभी हमने क्या देखा था? Liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship. Economic liberty was not there. Economic liberty was not there because we have the liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship. इसीलिए आपको एडवाइस किया जाता है कि आपने टेक्स्ट ऑफ द प्रीएम्बल को याद रखना है. डायरेक्टली आपके एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन टेक्स्ट ऑफ द प्रीएम्बल से आएंगे. यूपीएससी में पूछा गया क्वेश्चन है. और क्वेश्चन देखते हैं फ्रॉम दिस टॉपिक. सी दिस, द प्रीएम्बल ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, UPSC 2020. The preamble to the Constitution of India is a part of the Constitution. Yes, but has no legal effect. Okay, hold this option. Second, not a part of the Constitution. This is wrong because preamble is a part of the Constitution held by the Supreme Court in Keswanand Bharti case as well as LIC of India case 1995. Third, part of the Constitution and has the same legal effect. No, it does not have the same legal effect as any other part because it is non-justiciable independently. But see the last option, D. A part of the Constitution but has no legal effect independently of the other part. So out of A and D, which is more right? D. क्यों? क्योंकि yes, preamble is a part of the Constitution but it has no legal effect independent of other part. If you go with the dependency of other part, dependency of other part means, for example, you have the liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship. You have also article number 19 which deals with freedom of speech and expression. You can go and challenge into the Supreme Court article number 19 violation but not the preamble. So such type of questions can be asked in your examination. I hope you have got the idea clear. So what we have discussed in this lecture, we have discussed about the preamble. What is preamble? Preamble speaks about the summary, essence and all these things we have understood. Then there are 4 components of the preamble we have discussed. Source of the authority of the Constitution, nature of Indian state, objectives of the Indian Constitution and date of adoption. And we have seen how the questions can be asked in your examination from this topic. I hope you have got the idea clear. We will meet in the next lecture. Thank you.